Oh, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna create a video tutorial video shortcut on split screen on Huawei P10 Plus. As our visitor who asked me about how to split Huawei P10 Plus or Huawei series that support a split screen. It's very easy, so we're gonna take on the command here. Okay, that's cool, but I can't split my screen when I hold create button on space on notification bar. I would split screen, but I can with a floating dock. Mean that he cannot split screen on the floating dock. The floating dock is an easy navigation access key to your mobile functions. But some replies on the question below, and I have tell him that shortcut drawing may helpful for him, but she said that sorry was that is mean he don't know how to create that shortcut. So I'm gonna show him on this video right now. uh, what we're gonna do is sometimes you can split the screen. Is very easy, like you are surfing the internet like here. So it's very easy to split the screen right here. I'm gonna show you it a shortcut, just one key draw. So right here is the screen already split, so you can turn on another video. Is very important here, and this is the split screen right here, and you can adjust the screen to lower. I think also you can see two screens on your smartphone right now. It's very easy. It's no need to split, no need to split by the square key, but you can make it very easy on the shortcut drawing. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you how to split that. It's very easy. Let's start together. The first of all, you need to go to phone settings, and then smart assistant. Okay, smart assistant, and then motion control. And to motion control, you can see that split screen quest. Use your knuckle and draw a line across your screen to enter split screen mode. So you just turn on right here. It's very easy to split screen. Like this video, it's very helpful. So I think if you are using the smartphone with the gas sensor, I think that is very helpful to you that create this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. If you have any question, just keep the comment below. Okay, once again I'm gonna show you how to enable this split screen. I'm gonna back to home, and then you can tap on settings, and then you can tap on smart assistance, motion control, and split screen gesture. Use your finger and draw a line across the screen to enter split screen mode. So it's very easy. So I'm gonna add enable right now, and then I'm gonna split screen again somehow right here. So I can split screen here. Yes, you can see that. So it's already two screen right here. It's very easy and easy. So I'm gonna turn on another application right here, and here is my. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Give me a like right now. Bye bye.